In this video, you will learn 5 simple meal planning tips that'll help manage your weight and boost your confidence in the kitchen. All you need is a plan. Do you know how to quickly get food on the table without resorting to the takeout line night in and night out? Besides hurting your pocket, eating out can lead to weight gain, low energy, and can cause multiple health issues because of all the hidden fat, sugar, and salt that these foods contain. Let's look at how we can get you cruising out of the takeout line and into the kitchen with ease and confidence. My first simple meal planning tip for weight loss is making a meal plan that includes snacks. This can be full recipes or a list of components. It does not have to be everything you plan to eat in the next week. For example, you can stir fry some chicken, you can cook up some beans, steam some rice, and have these components to put together during the course of the week. If you are using recipes and you are new to meal planning, plan to pick out 1 to 2 simple recipes and consider making leftovers so you can have 2 meals out of that 1 meal. Once you feel comfortable with this process, consider adding 1 to 2 other simple recipes to your meal prep plan and see how it goes. Plan to create your meal plan at least 1 day before you go food shopping so you are ready to go. You will also need to remember the day you will go food shopping and keep this day consistent. This is very important since it will streamline your meal planning process. Now moving on to step 2 for simple meal planning tips for weight loss. Make a grocery list that aligns with your meal plan. Do this right after creating your meal plan. This will help you save time and money at the grocery store. You can use pen and paper, an electronic document, or an app to streamline the process. Do whatever works for you. You can use apps like Paprika, Prepare, Plan to Eat, Favorites, but you don't have to. When preparing your grocery list, remember to check your pantry, your refrigerator, your freezer, in order to see what you already have on hand and don't need to buy. Now let's move on to the third simple meal planning tip for weight loss. Make a prep plan, people. This is the most important step for beginners. This is where you list every single thing you need to prepare during your food prep session. If you have components on your meal plan like shredded chicken, rice, steamed broccoli, remember to add that to your prep list. If using full recipes, look at what you can prepare ahead of time so that when you're putting the recipe together on a Tuesday night, it takes no time at all. For example, if you're planning on preparing a chicken fried rice one night, consider chopping up the raw chicken and putting it in a container. Then you can take the vegetables, chop those up, and put them in a container as well. So on the night you are ready to prepare the meal, all you need to do is dump the ingredients in a pan and cook them up and you're ready to go. Now moving on to my 4th simple meal planning tip for weight loss, we are looking at executing your food prep plan and decide on a date and time to do so. By the time your meal prep date comes along, whether it's a Sunday or any other day, you'll feel pretty confident and prepared for your meal planning session. Make sure to set enough time aside and get to work. You will reap and enjoy what you have created all week long. Don't worry if things don't go as planned. Food prep gets easier with practice. The more you do it, the more automatic planning meals will become. Now let's move on to our 5th and final simple meal planning step for weight loss. This will include repeating the process. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every single week to meet your meal planning goals. Get into the habit of collecting 1. Recipes. 2. Remembering to grocery shop on a regular and consistent day every single week. And 3. Creating a healthy meal plan 1 week at a time. Before you know it, you will have in place a system that works. Once you've planned out a few weeks, you put them on repeat so that you can save time. Consider keeping a binder or an electronic document with all the recipes, generated shopping lists, and notes for meal prep. This way, all you need to do is pick your recipes and you are on your way. Press the like button and leave a comment below if you feel empowered to start meal prepping and planning this week. Remember, meal planning is a health-conscious, budget-friendly way to streamline the meal prepping process. And in this way, you eliminate the agony of what's for dinner. This takes a bit of upfront work, but with a little time and organization, it can become second nature and part of your weekly routine. It'll be as easy as brushing your teeth and combing your hair. Remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Do this. You owe it to yourself. To learn more about how I can help you with meal planning tips and tricks to help manage your weight, press the link below to get to my blog, 5 Simple Meal Planning Tips for Weight Loss. It will get you the traction that you are looking for. Do it. You won't regret it.